The year was the 1834, when Mr. Joseph Whitworth was instructed from the English Army to make a gun that could replace the Enfield Pattern 53 rifle. The answer was a rifle in 451 caliber, only apparently similar to the Enfield Pattern 53. Mr. Whitworth's invention was hitting a unique innovation of its kind. The side of the barrel had the hexagonal profile. Pedersoli decided to enter this project dedicated to the shooter of all over the world, both for the mid and long-range target shooting, equipping the rifle with a special kit including a special plate for the Creedmoor sight and the base support for the tunnel front side. The barrel is manufactured starting from a solid steel bar, and the lock mechanic is finely polished. The immediate trigger pull makes the rifle a worthy competitor not to underestimate. The value of the rifle is recognizable also by the walnut stock, fine checkered oil finish. Fine. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of this fine rifle. Until the next time.